Okay. Well, hi, everybody. I'm Katie Krause Mork. I'm the CEO of Novalynn Fertility. I'm previously an entertainment reporter and an Emmy winner. And I'm so excited today to be joined by Dr. Gary. He is the medical director over at Fertility Cloud. Dr. Gary, thank you so much for lending your time to us today. Let's just start out by you kind of introducing yourself and telling us about your experience and your background.
Hi, thank you so much for the opportunity to come and speak with you today. It's wonderful. My name is Dr. Gary Levy, and I'm a reproductive endocrinologist. I've been in practice for approximately 12 years. I did my fellowship at the National Institute of Health. I've served in the military, and for the last 3 years, I've been the Chief Medical Officer of Fertility Cloud, which is a comprehensive telehealth fertility platform. I also serve as an assistant and then an associate professor at the Uniformed Services University, and then a board examiner. So my practice is very diverse. From clinical practice to surgery to research, and also helping women and couples conceive through telehealth.